Hello, today we will guide you through how to translate a text in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable a translation add-on and apply it to text that's already in your design. Start by opening Adobe Express. Give it a moment to load the workspace so you can see your dashboard and recent projects. Once you're in, locate and open your sample project. This brings you onto the canvas where all your layers, text, and design elements are visible. Click the sample text you want to translate. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or editing handles around it. If you have multiple text layers, be sure you've picked the correct one by checking the highlighted layer in the sidebar or by clicking directly on the text element on the canvas. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and click Add-ons. This is where you can extend Adobe Express with tools that speed up tasks like translating, resizing, and more. If you don't see it immediately, it's typically represented by an icon that indicates extensions or integrations. In the Add-ons panel, use the search field and type Translator. This filters the list so you can quickly find translation options instead of scrolling. Keep an eye on the result names and descriptions to ensure you're selecting the tool designed for text translation. From the results, click Cube Translator, then click Add. This connects the add-on to your workspace so you can use it within your current project. If a brief confirmation appears, just proceed. It usually takes a moment to initialize. Return to your canvas and click the sample text again to make sure it's active. This step matters because translation tools typically apply changes to the currently selected text layer. If nothing happens later, recheck that this text is selected. On the right side panel, find the language control associated with the translator. Click the current or sample language to open the list of available languages, then choose the one you need. The add-on will process the text and replace the content in your selected text box. Give it a second, then review the result on the canvas. If the translated text runs longer or shorter, adjust the text box size or line spacing so the layout stays clean. Keep your original fonts and colors for consistency, and skim for punctuation, accents, or special characters to ensure everything looks correct. That's it. You've opened your project, added the translator, selected your text, and applied the language from the right panel, all within Adobe Express.